Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will cover importing an estimate from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet to create a job budget. In addition to the option of importing job estimating information from estimating softwares like BidWorks, ConEst, ProEst, and WinEst into Builder Information System, you can also import job estimates from a spreadsheet. This tutorial will examine two methods available for creating a budget by importing the information into BIS from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Example 1 uses a spreadsheet format with corresponding fields for cost code description, along with the dollar amount for labor, material, subcontract, and other, and may include optional totals for hours and for quantity for each of the cost codes. Example 2 uses a field condition process that simplifies the spreadsheet. Example 1, corresponding columns. First, let us examine the Excel file information to be imported. The Excel spreadsheet includes columns for cost code description, along with the labor, material, subcontract, and other, and may include equipment, hours, and quantity for each of the cost codes. Once the spreadsheet is ready for import, it must be saved as a CSV, delimited file. This is done in the Save As type area. Note, after clicking Save, several prompts will appear in reference to saving a .csv file in Excel. Click OK or Yes on each prompt. In BIS, navigate to Job, Budget, and Import from Estimate in the menu, or select the Import from Estimate link in the My Desktop Job Cost module screen. When the Import from Estimate screen first appears, notice that the Estimate tab is initially grayed out. On the new Import from Estimate screen, enter a code, a template ID, provide a description, and enter the job number which you intend to import the data to. Browse to and select the desired CSV file for importing. Now note the Estimate tab is no longer grayed out and available. The Estimate tab will show the information to be imported from the Estimate CSV file. In viewing the information, you'll notice that the totals information from the CSV file appear. Because Builder Information System totals the information in the job budget, the totals will not be included in the import process. On the Main tab, match the fields with the Estimates tabs to the corresponding items. The Start at Line Number will skip the specified number of header rows at the top of the estimate screen. In this case, enter number 2 in the field. The Skip Records when the following conditions occurs entry will eliminate those rows that meet the condition entered on that line. When you've completed the template, click on the Import button in the lower right-hand corner of the form. A screen may appear indicating duplicate cost codes. However, pressing the Total button will combine the duplicate cost codes. Note the illustration. Upon pressing the Total button, all duplicate cost code amounts will be combined. And now again click the Import button. Now upon completion, you have the option to save the template, or you can elect to close the form and not save the Import from Estimate template. Click Yes and then OK at the prompts indicating that the cost codes were added to the job budget. Now to review the import data, select the Budget and Change Orders link in the My Desktop Job Cost module screen or from the Job menu. Use the Find feature or the VCR buttons to select the job. Then click on the Budget tab to view the information. The cost codes can be modified from this screen by double-clicking on them and modifying the information in the screen that appears. Additional cost codes may be added using the Insert button at the lower right, or if needed, they may be deleted. As mentioned earlier, you can use field conditions to greatly simplify the spreadsheet information. Note the example shown uses a single letter to identify the type of cost: labor, material, subcontract, and other. From the Main tab, match the fields from the Estimates tab and enter any necessary condition information. In creating a template for this type of file, the first 4 steps are the same as described earlier. In this case, the condition is if F3 equals L, then the amount in column F4 is labor. If F3 equals M, then the amount in column F4 equals material, and so on. From this point, the import process proceeds just as it did in example 1. Once the budget information has imported successfully, you may opt to save or not save the template and proceed to the budget. Note, once the budget has been completed, there is a process that allows you to create a schedule of values from the budget with the option to utilize % markup values. Please refer to the tutorial on creating a schedule of values from a budget.